A Bengal tiger lunges. The badger snaps back, hissing, as if the rules don't apply. A female honey badger moves low and fast, not roaming, retreating. Behind her, something has shifted. The badger darts for a narrow opening, a burrow, sanctuary. The tiger doesn't pause. It excavates, raking soil, trying to drag her out, turning refuge into a trap. Then, eruption. She doesn't run, and the forest adds another variable. A male honey badger launches from behind and clamps onto the tiger's tail. Now the tiger is caught between 2 points. The female at the front, relentless.